Okay, you're looking at the lens on the 03, excuse me, 03 Ford Explorer. And you can see that, yeah, I kind of got a little bit of yellow. And I just did this one. All right. I just did that one with the emulsifier. But I think I'm going to go other step with the pads. Let's see if doesn't clean it up a little bit better. I'm gonna do the other sides, and we're gonna put that clear stuff on here. Go from there. All right, for the heck of it, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the full step on that passenger side lens like I did on the Jeep, and see if that, because they're both looking the same. There, we need the pads. In the back, right on the bottom. So you're going to start out with the green pad, and you got four sides. Green, which is 1, tan is 2, teal is 3, and then your purple is 4. You got, what they are is they're 4 different grits, and they're going to affect your, affect how it cleans it up. So what you're going to do, you're going to wet the lens. You're going to go back and forth. You're going to do that for a minute. Let's get the road grime off of here. And it's supposed to be taking off the oxidation on it. If you've got really yellow lenses, you do it for a minute. All right. Okay, so that's that. I'll get that with that. Okay. Now we're going to go on to the tan side. We're going to go in the opposite direction, up and down. We'll do that for a minute. Okay, basically I counted to 120. I feel that'll probably take up the 60 seconds. Okay, now we're going to go on to the teal. We're going to go back and forth again, the opposite direction. Okay, I've completed that side over there. I'm going to let it dry down a little bit, and I'll buff it out, and then we're going to go ahead and do the put the base on there, and then the sealer. I'm ready to do this one. I'm going to do this again. I'm just going to do this one, the emulsifier. I haven't had a chance to do that, so I'm going to get this done. Then we'll go ahead and get the base and the other ones put on all the vehicles. Okay, this is what the Explorer's lens ended up looking like on both sides. This one I did the full scenario on, and it looks pretty good. This one I just used the clarifying compound on just the side. And this is restoring the headlight lenses on the 03 Ford Explorer with the Turtle Wax headlight lens restoring kit.